Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making this gray and black Louis set for a friend and it turned out pretty cute. Of course, you can definitely see a few flaws if you pay attention, but it's okay. I once had a teacher say practice makes permanent. So we are practicing and we are learning, but if you guys want to see how I made this set, then keep on watching. So like I said, the set is for a friend. So she wanted the long coffin shape and I get these off AliExpress. I'll have them linked below. So I'm just going ahead and picking out all her sizes and prepping them. And to prep, I just take my nail file and I file down the tips that have that little nub on the top. You can really see it on the left nail I'm showing you. And I like to do it kind of on an angle because if you overfile, it can mess up the shape of the nail because they're already shaped really well. And then I'm just taking my buffer and buffing the surface of the nail to remove any of the shine because that's going to help the polish stick on a whole lot better. And once your nails are all buffed and filed, you're ready to go, pretty much. So I'm going to take them and stick them onto this little nail stand. I got this off AliExpress as well. And I actually like using nail tabs rather than that glue, like tacky tape, because I just don't like seeing the glue come through and sometimes it doesn't stick that well. So I prefer to use nail tabs and I just cut them in half and they stick a whole lot better and I can actually reuse them for multiple sets. And for polish, I'm taking this Tomica in the color 015, which is this gray color. I believe they come in a set of 22 on Amazon and they come with a bunch of different colors. But I'm going to apply 2 coats of polish. This is a gel, so I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds in between each coat. And this is what we're looking like after 2 coats. And we're going to go ahead and prep our Louis accent nails. So I'm using this transfer foil from AliExpress and my Macart nail art glue. And today's accent fingers are the pinky and the index finger. So I'm just going to apply the glue on and then cure it for 60 seconds. Once the glue cures, I like to let it sit for at least 30 seconds because I find it gets more tacky and it helps the transfer foil stick on better. And then I'm just going to put on the transfer foil, use this little, I don't even know what you call it, this little pusher thingy, and just kind of press it down from side to side, trying to prevent any creases. Take your time, go slow. I find that's when I get the best results. I'm still trying to work on perfecting transfer foils because it's just, they always be fighting me, y'all, but I'm getting better, I'm getting better. Well, in that same Tomica set off Amazon, it comes with a top coat, and so we're gonna add top coat to all of the nails, but we are not gonna cure because y'all, we gonna add some bling up on that middle finger, okay? So for that middle nail, I'm taking these diamond crystals and these black gems along with this nail glue that all come off AliExpress. I'll have them linked below. And I'm taking a brush with a bit of that nail glue and applying it along the bottom of the nail or the base of the nail. And then I'm taking the second biggest size of those black gems and applying 5 along the base. And then with the bigger gem, I'm going to apply the nail glue right onto the gem itself because it's so big and there's a little bit of a dent in the center. So I really want to make sure that it sticks on. And then once the glue's on, I'm just going to position it where I want it and kind of play around. Because it's heavy, it tends to slide. So just be careful if you do use the bigger gems, because I find if you put it flat, it's a lot easier because if you hold it, it tilts and then it's heavy and gravity, and just put it down flat. And then going back to my black gems, I'm taking the third smallest size and just picking them up, adding a little bit of the gem glue, and then doing a straight line going to the tip of the nail from the larger gem. And you guys might be watching this clip like, girl, them gems is not straight. And I know, but once you put them on, you can fix them. So don't worry, I do straighten them out, and I'm going to show you after that, because after this, guess what we done? So go ahead and cure your gem nails. I like to cure them twice for 60 seconds, and then the regular nails, just cure them for 60 seconds to seal in that top coat. And then these are what our bling nails are looking like. And we're gonna go ahead and add them to our set. And y'all, this is what our set is looking like. These are so cute, and I really hope my friend likes them. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.